In every spark, we weld the metal of the future. Since 2015, as a pioneer in industrial transformation, we have been developing welding automation systems that meet large-scale production needs. From heavy industry to automotive, we offer customized solutions for every field where the welding process is required. With our innovative automotive welding machines and handling systems, we not only unite metals, but also dreams. We are the junction of automation, reliability, and aesthetics. Kamesh Welding. Let's weld the future together.